Hello YouTubers, I am Camel Drift on my Instagram and YouTube. I have only one follower, my buddy Chris Sinclair. Driving e46 sedan, and I have a coupe as well. But this is the unboxing of my new Carbyne design rims. Yeah, so that's how they came. I'm getting antsy. I'm getting excited. Packaging was nice. Look at this packaging. Just like, take them out. Oh yeah. So we got one layer, two layers actually. Nice. Plastic ring around the top. And voila. Beautifulness. Cold. I don't notice any flaws. There's no flaws in these. And so these are 5 by 114. The bigger holes are 5 by 114. For you JDM guys and us Beamer guys, we have 5 by 120. Little guys, little holes. So we gotta run the tuner lugs, something. I have yet to find out which lugs they are. But these are, I'd assume, this is 22 offset, ET22. I don't know what that is. These are my 9.5s. 18 by 9.5s. I have 4 of these. I'm going to be running as burners. Maybe put some 215s on there. I don't know yet. But this is how it came. And so yeah. Carbyne design wheels.